I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not. What's up, YouTube? It is your girl Shay, and you are watching Glamplified Beauty. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a brow tutorial because I haven't done one in like years, so it is about time. It is due that I give you guys an eyebrow tutorial. That's why my eyebrows are looking like this. So if you want to see how I get my eyebrows on fleek, do we still say that? On fleek? Oh well, I don't care. If y'all want to see how I do my brows for 2018 going into 2019, stay tuned and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll holla! Okay, so first things first to do is make sure your brows are all cleaned up. They are cleaned up. I had used my eyebrow archer, shaver, whatever y'all want to call this, but y'all know y'all can get this from your local dollar store, your local beauty supply store. They just $1 or whatever. So I use that to clean around my brows. That's in case y'all don't get them done. I don't get them done because I'm not trusting nobody with my brows, okay? So then you want to lay your brows down, okay? What do you mean by laying them down? I mean, make sure they're nice, clean, and flat, honey. Not moving, not budging, nothing. So you can get that clean, crisp, precise eyebrow, okay? So what I use is the Becca Evermatte and Poreless Primer, and I put them things on my brows to lay them down, and because they get a little bit oily, this helps with the oil control for my brows. So Becca Evermatte Poreless, y'all. And I got that from Sephora. It's about $15. But the next thing that I'm going to use is my brow gel, okay? So this one I have found to be a holy grail, a lifesaver, life changer, game changer, whatever you want to call it. This is from Forever Magic Cosmetics. This is their double shade Seductive Eyebrow Gel, and this is in Abracadabra Black. That is what it looks like there. And this is the back. See, I can see the name. And the thing that I like about this is that it has 2 shades in one container, okay? So it's $35, and I mean, come on. If y'all paying for the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow gel, y'all could buy this, okay? Look at it. It got 2. This is the black, and this is the Abracadabra. So I'm using the Abracadabra on the front part of my brows, and I'm using the black part for the tail end of my brows, okay? So I'm not going to be talking through this. This is just going to be a nice little speed through type talking thing. I don't know. We'll just see. Watch how I do them, and then we'll come back to cleaning up with our concealer. Okay? One thing that I forgot to mention, which is very important, is your spoolie and your angle brush, okay? This is a flat angle brush for your brows, and this is also from Forever Magic Cosmetic. This is their dual-ended eyebrow brush, which is the spoolie to brush them out, and the flat angled part to carve out your brows, okay? Now, we can get started on the brows.
If you're giving it to me just right, the way I did before. Baby, can you tell me how you feel? I ain't feeling the way I'm feeling about you.
Okay, I know I'm looking a little cray-cray right now, but we're gonna get it together. So what we're gonna do now is we are going to clean up our brows, okay? And that is to get it the nice clean sharpness that we're looking for. So I am going to use the Shop Miss A AOA Studio Concealer. This is in the shade Toffee. It looks like this. And I'm going to use that on the bottom of my brows, and for the top of my brows I'm going to use the foundation that I'm going to use for my makeup look. So keep watching.
You will not negotiate. Just find it, and be transformed. 'Cause I like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep, 'cause everything is never as it seems. I'm in love with the shape of you. Hey.